Hey everybody, Mr. Wagner here. Today we're going to begin Flappy Birds. It's going to be a lot of fun, so just let's get going. All right, so to begin Flappy Birds, we're going to need to go ahead and start up a new Python program. So let's get going with that. I've been using PyCharm. If you haven't moved to PyCharm yet, you should try it, I think. I've also had some students good with Visual Studio Code, but I haven't really messed with that. Anyway, I'm gonna go to PyCharm, and PyCharm has my old breakout thing, which is fine. I'm gonna go ahead and do a new project, and I'm gonna create a project in here called Flappy for Flappy Birds. Virtual environment should be fine. Pick the latest Python version. All these should just leave unchecked and hit create. Okay, so at this point, there's really nothing here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here into where this Flappy folder is. I'm going to right click, I'm going to do new Python file, and I'm going to call this Flappy 1. Same sort of thing, Flappy 1, Flappy 2, Flappy, etc. We've already sort of built Flappy, or we've already sort of built Python skeletons for Pygame. So we're going to go ahead and grab one of those, and the one we're going to grab is from Breakout. So I actually have it all pulled up here. This is Breakout 1. And I'm going to scroll down, and I'm just going to copy all of the code. Right click, copy. We'll just minimize this, and we're going to paste this right in here. Paste. There we go. Okay. Now, since obviously this is Flappy Birds and not Breakout, we are going to go ahead and change this. So we're going to call this Flappy 1, Mr. Wagner. Yeah, we don't need a date. See here where it says import Pygame, and Pygame is underlined in red. If I hover my mouse over it, it says unresolved reference Pygame, and then I can just go right here to install package Pygame, and it will install that in the virtual environment. So now we're good to go. Now let's see what other things we need to change here. Obviously it says Pygame display set caption breakout. So we're going to call this Flappy Birds. And the screen height and screen width that we are going to be using is 512 by 288. Now we're going to be adding graphics in here, and that graphics that I'm going to be showing you is already set up at those dimensions, but just recognize that that is our new background size. Let's see what else we have on this skeleton here. There's no reason to do a screen fill, so let's get rid of that. And print game over. That should be fine. Okay, so let's run this. In order for me to run it, I right click and I go to run Flappy 1, and voila, I get a wonderful screen there. Okay, so basically what we've done is we've copied our skeleton code from Breakout, and then we've just changed a few things. Now, I do suggest that you use skeleton code whenever you're starting a program. It just makes things easier. Anyway, so I believe that's it for Flappy 1, but I want to show you one more thing. When we created this project within PyCharm, it did create a folder called Flappy that is stored in our Documents folder. And if I click on my Finder, you will see that Flappy is right here, and there's flappy1.py, and then VENV stands for the virtual environment. As we get going, we're going to be stuffing a lot of stuff into this folder. There's going to be Flappy 2, Flappy 3, but there's also going to be folders with audio and our sprites. Okay, so we're going to get to those. If you're in a Windows environment, it's the same sort of thing. Put Flappy in your Documents folder, and put a folder called Flappy in your documents folder, and or PyCharm should be able to handle that just the same. Anyway, get any problems, obviously send me an email. We'll figure it out. All right, that's it. See you in a bit. Bye.